Dow Jones and NASDAQ both have seen a sharp drop and a very smarter recovery towards the end of the day since last 2 days. Likewise with Germany and UK, both have started to climb now and it stabilized very near to now 7600 and 15,950 levels. So now what to expect today? Important day when the CPI data coming in from US definitely will bring volatility into the indices later in the day. Till then, how to profit, which positions you should take in order to profit trading. NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones, DAX and FTSE100, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. We are going to see in the same sequence as well. So do watch till the end, and pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the live updates. This is the first analysis, first update for the day. The next update, the key update before the CPI data will be released. Do watch that also. Every day I share twice a day update. Also, your every like and every comment is a great motivation for me. I always look forward to your motivating comments. Do please comment, do press the like button. Also, share and subscribe is a great support. With that, let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100. If you look at the story of Tech 100, you will find lower lows are getting created, lower highs are seen here. Now, when we talk about lower lows, yes, 15,100 is a great support, and below that this time we may see it hitting 15,000 and below levels also. At the same time, if you look at the charts, what is happening right now, see 15,300 is the ultimate resistance on the upside. It is giving higher lows, and see the prices were divergent from the moving average. It is trying to converge, and hence 15,200 is the level beyond which little more bullishness may prevail. 15,200, which was the earlier resistance here, now 15,250. See, 3 times to 4 times we have seen 250 giving it the support on the downward journey. Now 15,250 is the resistance on the upward journey as well. So yes, we can initiate a buy entry here at 15,200, but then 240, 250 first target, 300 is the next target. Only and only if you see Tech 100 trading above 15,350, you can say that it is reversing and it can continue to climb on the upside. Till then, we have to be watchful here. Now, if you look at the stochastic on the hourly chart, this has come to overbought levels. The MACD is crossing over, trading with divergence. This can pull the prices little bit up, which suggests that we may see 15,200, 250 levels. RSI is also rising, coming to 2-hour. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see consistently lower lows are getting created, lower highs are getting created. 15,300 is the ultimate resistance on the upside, 15,050 on the downside is the support. Also, if you look at current 2-hour charts, you'll find higher lows are seen, and which suggests that possibly this could try to pull the prices little up, 15,240 to 50, and in fact further upside can take it till towards 15,300 before the CPI itself. Stochastic rising, MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a buy entry as of now, but it is still bearish. RSI looking upwards, coming to 3 hours. Similar is the observation, higher lows, symmetrical candles. The next candle will decide which direction it wants to take. You can see these two candles here, and you can find out this is going to be a great resistance. Also, the 20 period moving average is now sitting at around 15,250 levels, which are achievable levels and which are going to be great resistance here. On the downside, 15,100 is the only level below which we can initiate a sell, but I will find out. We can find out better entries for sell here. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit, while RSI is also looking upwards and showing a little strength. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts as well, you can find out higher lows are consistently seen. I will recommend a buy at around 15,180 levels, beyond which you can expect 200 to 30 to 50 zone. Now 200 to 30 to 50 zone is definitely achievable, and if you look at on the upside, the 20 period and 200 period moving average are crossing over here at around 15 to 8300. So largely saying, and if you track the movement also, see it is trading in this bearish channel, and a breakout is what it is going to give, and this is going to be a sharper breakout. So a possible retracement on the upside first, which may bring the prices little up till towards 15 to 5300, and then a possible drop is what we can expect. A stochastic flat, MACD is bearish here, willing to converge crossover, and this is coming at a slightly lower levels, which might pull the prices little up. See, it is stabilized here at the bottom. I will definitely look forward to a crossover. RSI looking upward, showing strength. Coming to the daily charts. Now, if you look at the daily charts, it's similar observation here, lower highs, lower lows. Now, even if it tries to reverse, there are resistances available. See, certainly you can see this was one channel, and you can see for last 2 days it is accelerated a bit on the downside. This makes 15 to 5300 zone as a great resistance, and this is also an achievable levels. Now also note that now moving averages have started to converge on the downside, and you can also see it has formed a good flag here. So any breakout above this zone is where the reversal will be seen here. Also, if you look at, see, the prices have come down till the support zone here, and below that there is the next support which is sitting at around 14800 levels. Yes, 14800, little far below, but yes, achievable. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is extremely divergent and bearish on the daily charts. It could probably converge a bit, even if it has to look down. It could probably converge a bit, which suggests that there could be little retracement on the upside. RSI is flat. Coming to the targets and trades for the day, you can buy here at 15180 and expect it to rise till towards 15200, 230, 250. See, 230, 250 first resistance zone, 280, 300 the next resistance zone. Now this is where the maximum resistance lies, at 15 280 300 zone. Beyond that, see, 15 250 we have already seen, it is a great support, which was a great support, is now going to be the resistance. Now beyond that, 15 280 300 is the first, then 350, and then 420. Only and only if US100 trades above 15420, you should treat this for a reversal, and we are going to look forward to a breakout. Else, in all probabilities, till the time for 50 it stays below 15300, the possibility of a reversal will be very high. And yes, you can sell here at 15140 levels. Expect 15100 as the maximum support. Below 15100, if it stays, if today you see NASDAQ 100 trading below 15100, we can expect 15050 first target, and then 14970 as the next target. Below 14970, 14920, 14850, 14800, yes, this is going to be a volatile day. It can drop towards those levels also. Take your trades accordingly. We can see a good swing throughout the day. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, US30 on the hourly charts, interestingly, it is undergoing the phase of consolidation. Higher highs, higher lows, lower highs is what you can see here. Now, largely saying this is the zone in which it is trying to trade, and it must give a breakout. Now, the bottom of this channel is at the 35-100 levels. The top of this is at around 35-360-370 zone. And hence, in between these levels, we have to watch out with caution. Now, if you say, now on the hourly charts, it has created a bottom trying to trade in this bullish channel. Then possibly another bullish candle may come, which might take it till towards 35-350 plus levels. Now, any point of time, if you see US30 staying above 35-400 and 35-500 is the ultimate resistance. Beyond that, sky is the limit for US30. Remember, that should be a breakout here. But right now, it is just trying to give you or consolidate more. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over for buy, trading with divergence, looking upwards. See lower highs here, so but yes, it can achieve the highs here. RSI looking upwards, showing little strength. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, you can see first of all these squeeze candles, and then these 4 candles. The complete movement is engulfed between this red candle, which is 35-300, 35-150 levels. So here we have to watch out a little bit more. Also, if you look at higher lows, lower highs, and consolidation is going on. Yes, the prices were too much divergent from the moving average. It has converged till toward these levels. Stochastic is rising. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for buy. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish. Coming to similar observation on the 3 hour charts, 35-300 is what you should aspire for. this is going to be a good resistance, and on the upside we have to be definitely watchful at around 35,300 levels. Beyond that, little more bullishness might take it for 350, and then if it stays above 400, that is where the reversal is confirmed there. Remember, if you look at the downside, see 35,000 levels, and it is consistently giving you lower highs, and in fact for last couple of sessions higher lows as well. So consolidation going on, a breakout is what you should look forward to. Stochastic is rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It was trading with a fat belly, it is trying to converge. RSI looking upwards, and on the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour chart, see a flat bottom, second candle also started flat. It is aspiring to achieve 35,300 levels here. Possibly beyond that, more bullishness is going to prevail. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is trading with little divergence in bullishness, RSI is flat here. Coming to the daily, now on the daily chart, this is what I am talking about, what we had seen on the minor time frames here. 20 period moving average giving it a good support. With that, it is trying to retrace 35,300, 360, 370 levels are achievable. 35,300 anyways is achievable, and then 360, 370 is what you should aspire. Beyond 400 is where the bulls will try to take over, and if it stays above 500, treat this as a reversal. Right now, if you look at what has happened, prices were divergent from the moving average, it has converged till towards the moving average, and if it gives a breakout, it is going to be a sharper one. At the same time, on the downside, 35,000 is the levels below which we can expect it to drop. How far it can stretch the drop? 34,600, 500 is the ultimate support here. Below that only the bears will try to take over on the daily charts. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD is trading with divergence, bearishness. See, let me show you something here. First wave, second wave, third wave, and it is giving you higher lows, higher highs. So it is still bullish. Let's see if it converges today and yields a green candle. RSI has also dropped and it's trading with comfort here. So what I am looking forward to today is, first, a selling entry below. First of all, it is definitely going to be a swing day, and whenever you see it trading below 35,200, you can sell there and expect it to at least hit 35,100 levels, which is going to be a great support for the day. Any move beyond 35,100 will take it till towards 35,000 levels this time, and below 35,000 just stay short. It is going to give you a very sharp red candle. Remember this fact. Below 35,000 levels just stay short. We are going to look forward to a sharper red candle, which may in fact, see, 35,000 is also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It can stretch a bit before looking forward to an upward or retracement on the upside. So selling at 35,200 levels, you can enjoy swings both the sides, and right now you can buy here at 35,260, 275 levels. 35 275 is where you can buy. Expect 35,300, 340, 50 levels as the next resistance levels. And see, this is a very good resistance level, and any point of time, first, if you see it trading above 35,400, expect that the bullish momentum is more and it can break past 35,500 also. If it stays above 35,500, stay bullish, stay long. It is given a breakout and it is going to fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at DAX of Germany 40. Now see, for DAX, higher lows are seen here, lower highs are seen here, and 16,000 is the ultimate resistance for DAX here. Beyond 16,000 is where the bulls might try to take over, and we can see more bullish momentum continuing beyond 16,000 levels. Now if you look at the hourly charts more closely, you will find higher lows here. Now 15,880, 15,850 are, or rather I'll say 15,870, 15,840 are two support zones here. So in fact 900, 870, 840. If these support levels are breached, then you should treat this as bearish. Else, DAX is still not bearish here. Next, on the hourly charts, the bullishness getting diminished is what you can see. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to overbought levels. MACD is again trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is looking upwards. That is also bullish sign. Coming to 2-hour, on the 2-hour charts, it is showing the support here at 15,900, and with the support at 15,900, it is willing to rise. Probably it is trying to achieve lower highs right now at around 15,960, 970 levels. Very strong resistance there. Any point of time, if it stays above 16,000, bulls will take over. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, trying to trade with divergence. RSI is also staying bullish. Coming to on the 3-hour charts, higher lows, second green candle. The next candle will decide its fate, and possibly if it stays on the upside, we are looking at 16,000, 16,100 levels are also possible. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards and showing strength there. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts likewise, higher lows, consolidation zone here at 15,870. With that, it is trying to rise. We may see 15,950, 970 zone, and in fact staying above 16,000, just stay long for 16,050, and beyond that sky is the limit. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also rising here. Coming to the daily, now if you look at daily charts, see, certainly the bottom here is created, and you can see on the daily charts DAX is trading in this channel. This is a bullish channel. It is certainly getting a support here, and we have seen good enough consolidation in this zone. Next is, if you look at the candle preceding day, you will find that it has created the bottom here with that as support, trying to rise. Today's candle, it has formed a tail and trying to show a pullback. Now see, any point of time, if it stays above 16,000, we are definitely looking forward to achieve the 20 period moving average 16,050, and beyond that, beyond 16,050, we have still more room for DEX to get achieved, which is at around 16,200 levels. Yes, it can possibly achieve those levels. Stochastic is rising here. MACD was trading with extreme divergence. It is willing to converge crossover for buy. RSI is almost trading. Now considering this, see, 16,000 is the only level which is a safe entry for you to enter. However, those who want to risk a little, you can buy at 15,960, but then 15,980, 16,000 are two levels which you should watch out for. Beyond 16,000, we are looking at 16,045, 16,050 levels, and then 16,100 is the next, and beyond that, sky is the limit for 16,200 levels. Remember the fact that there should be a pullback as well. Now on the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 15,900, but then 880, 840, 800 are three major support levels. Only and only if it stays below 800, that is the time you should treat this as bearish. Remember the fact it has got very good support at around 15,700 levels, and it has consolidated enough. We should watch out for how it behaves at 16,000 on the upside and 15,800 on the downside. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100 or UK 100. Now see, UK 100 on the early charts, first of all, you should observe in a, see, this is the bullish channel in which UK 100 is trading right now. Support is at around 7540, 7535 levels, which is the only selling entry below which the bears will take over. And see, this is coming after a bit of consolidation at this zone, and it is trying to look upwards. This is a bullish sign as of now. If you look at the hourly charts, it is now created the next support base at around 7565 levels. So yes, you can sell at 7560, expect 7540, and if it stays below 7540, more bullishness may prevail. Now if you look at the movie charts here, it is giving you higher lows, higher highs. So a squeeze is seen, a breakout above 7585 levels, and specifically any move above 7600 should be treated seriously, and then it is going to fly high above 7600 levels. If you look at a stochastic, this is back to overbought. MACD, first wave, second wave starting here, so possibly little more bullishness. RSI looking upward, showing the strength there. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, flat bottom is seen here at 7565. That is why I say sell at 7560. With that, it is starting to rise. First, second green candle. We can expect it to again hit 7600 levels as well. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Stochastic rising. MACD is still trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, if you look at 3-hour charts, similarly, you can see higher lows, higher highs. Higher highs suggest 7620 levels on the upside, and beyond anything beyond 7620, 7630 zone is the bonus, and we are looking forward to 7650, 7680 levels. Hence, you should watch out at those levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is green, RSI is also showing positive momentum. On the 4-hour charts as well, if you look closely on the 4-hour charts, increasing body size, higher lows, this candle and subsequent candle may yield higher levels. Hence, you can buy here at 7585 levels, expect 7600, and then anything above 7600, 7620, 7650 are achievable. Stochastic flat, MACD is bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart. Now look at daily charts. See sharp drop, higher lows, higher highs, trying to trade in this zone. Also, if you look at this at the bottom here, with that at bottom, it is trying to trade. And if you look at it, is trading in this bullish channel. Now, the top of the channel is far above at 7800 levels. If you look at right now, what is happening on the daily charts is consolidation going on. And hence, it has to come out of this consolidation zone in order to confirm the momentum. Right now, we can see possibly it could continue with the upward move today, and we can expect it to hit 76450 levels, which is a great resistance. Stochastic rising here, MACD is bearish trying to converge, and RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today at 7585. Consider 7600, 620 and 650 as the next targets. At the same time, you can sell at 7560. However, 7540 is the level below which little more bearishness is going to seen. And then if it breaks below 7520, 7500 zone, then you can say that FTSE 100 is turning bearish. We are going to see a sharp break. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.